In this video, you'll learn how to bulk delete tasks in Microsoft To Do. If you've ever found yourself with a long list of completed or outdated tasks and you're tired of removing them one by one, this walkthrough will make that process much faster and more efficient. Let's start by opening Microsoft To Do and navigating to the specific list that contains the tasks you want to delete. This might be your default task list or a custom list you created for work, school, or a specific project. The key is to make sure you're inside the correct list before you start, because everything you select and delete will be removed from that particular list. Once you're in the right list, locate the first task you want to delete. This will act as the starting point for your selection. Click on that first task once. You should see it become highlighted or selected, usually with a different background color or a checkmark style indicator, depending on your device and theme. Now comes the part that lets you select a large group at once. On your keyboard, press and hold the Shift key. Keep the Shift key held down, and while you're still holding it, move your mouse to the last task you want to include in this deletion. Click on that last task. When you do this, Microsoft To Do will automatically select everything from the first task you clicked to the last one, including all the tasks in between. You should see an entire block of tasks highlighted, confirming that they're all selected together. If you need to, take a moment to scroll up and down your list and visually confirm that only the tasks you actually want to delete are highlighted. This is a good time to double check, because once you delete them, it can be harder to get them back, especially if there's no easy undo option available in your current view. With that entire group of tasks highlighted, move your mouse over any one of the selected tasks. Right-click anywhere on the highlighted area. This will open a context menu with several options related to these tasks. From that menu, look for the option labeled Delete Tasks. Click on Delete Tasks. As soon as you choose that option, Microsoft To Do will remove all of the selected tasks from the list in one go. Depending on your settings or version, you may see a brief confirmation message or an undo prompt. If you notice that something was deleted by mistake, look for that undo option right away and click it to restore the tasks. To recap the flow, open the list that contains your tasks, click the first task you want to delete, hold down Shift, click the last task to highlight the entire range, then right-click on the highlighted area and select Delete Tasks. Using this method saves you from deleting tasks individually and keeps your lists tidy and manageable with just a few quick actions. That's all you need to know to bulk delete tasks in Microsoft To Do.